Hello, I'm Alexis, CEO of Diggers Factory. I created Diggers Factory 5 years ago to change the system in the vinyl industry by offering a platform that allows artists and labels to produce vinyl on demand and without spending any money. If I had 3 words to describe Innouvo, it would be stimulating, network, and growth. And now, if I had 3 words to describe the 10x program, it would be learning, purpose, and experience. I think it was a really great experience. I learned a lot in marketing and how to know better my customers, to know my purpose also of Diggers Factory. For me, I'm better in my job now than I was before, and I think that's why I did this. I'm really happy to have met all these people, Alistair, but also all the other partners and people who do the programs and the other startups. I learned from them, and I think they maybe learn from me also. It helped me to ask myself the good question, to be a better manager, to be a better person. So thank you very much for this opportunity. I recommend this to everyone that want to have a growing company. Bye-bye.